Most people think scooters don't last long, but that's not true, because some scooters, with proper maintenance, can go over 50,000 miles. We're talking years of riding, thousands saved, and machines that just keep going. So in today's video, we're counting down scooters in the US that are built to last and are actually worth your money. Number 10. Genuine Buddy 125. The Genuine Buddy 125 may look small and simple, but it's surprisingly durable. It uses a proven engine design that's been around for years, and with basic maintenance, it can go much farther than people expect. Oil changes, belt checks, and simple upkeep are all it really needs. It's also very affordable to maintain, which makes hitting higher mileage much more realistic. This is one of those scooters that quietly lasts longer than people think. Number 9. Kymco Like 150. Kymco doesn't always get the spotlight, but their scooters are built to last. The Like 150 comes with fuel injection, solid build quality, and a very reliable engine that's proven over time. It's designed for everyday use, commuting, errands, and even longer rides when needed. What makes it stand out is consistency. It may not be flashy, but it performs reliably day after day without major issues. And because Kymco focuses heavily on durability, this scooter is more than capable of reaching high mileage with proper maintenance. If you want something underrated but dependable, this is a smart choice. Number 8. Yamaha Zuma 125. This scooter is built to take a beating. The Yamaha Zuma 125 is known for its rugged design and strong reliability. It's made for real-world conditions, bad roads, potholes, and daily commuting. The engine is simple and durable, which means fewer things can go wrong over time. It's also one of those scooters that people tend to ride hard, and it still holds up. That's a big reason why it's known for long-term durability. If you want something tough and dependable, this is one of the best options in its class. Number 7. Honda PCX 150 or 160. One of the most trusted scooters in the US, the Honda PCX is known for being smooth, efficient, and extremely reliable. It's built for daily use, and that's exactly where it excels. You get great fuel economy, a comfortable ride, and very low maintenance needs. It's also one of the most refined scooters in its category, which makes it feel more premium than its price suggests. Many owners report putting tens of thousands of miles on these with very minimal issues. If you want something modern, reliable, and easy to live with, this is one of the safest choices you can make. Number 6. Yamaha Vino 125. Simple, stylish, and built to last. The Yamaha Vino 125 may look retro and relaxed, but underneath, it's a very solid and reliable machine. It uses a proven engine that has been tested over time, and it delivers smooth, consistent performance. It's also very easy to maintain, which is a big factor when it comes to long-term durability. Parts are accessible, and the overall design is straightforward. This is the kind of scooter that doesn't demand much, but keeps delivering over the years. If you want something simple, dependable, and capable of lasting long-term, the Vino 125 is a great option. Number 5. Suzuki Burgman 200. Comfort meets long-term durability. The Burgman 200 is smooth, stable, and designed for everyday riding. Compared to smaller scooters, you get more power, better seating, and a more relaxed riding position. That means less stress on the engine and a more comfortable experience for longer trips. It's also built with solid components, which helps it handle high mileage over time. If you're commuting daily or riding often, this is the kind of scooter that can quietly rack up miles without issues. Number 4. Honda ADV 150 or ADV 160. This scooter adds versatility to durability. The Honda ADV series is built to handle more than just smooth city roads. With upgraded suspension, higher ground clearance, and a tougher overall design, it's ready for rough pavement, potholes, and even light off-road conditions. That extra durability doesn't just improve comfort. It also reduces long-term wear and tear on the scooter. And underneath that rugged look, you're still getting Honda's proven engine platform, which means strong reliability over time. It's also comfortable enough for daily commuting while still being capable on unpredictable roads. If your riding conditions aren't always perfect, this is a scooter that can handle it. Number 3. Yamaha XMAX. Now we step into premium territory. The Yamaha XMAX is built for riders who want performance and long-term reliability. It has a strong engine, excellent highway capability, and a very refined riding experience. This isn't just for short trips. This is a scooter you can ride every day for long distances without feeling strained. It's also built with higher quality components, which helps it last longer under heavy use. If you plan to put serious miles on your scooter, this is one of the best choices. Number 2. Suzuki Burgman 400. A true long-distance machine. The Burgman 400 has been around for years and has proven itself over time. It's powerful, smooth, and built for both commuting and touring. This is the kind of scooter people rely on for daily use, high mileage, and long rides. It also has a strong track record. Many owners have pushed these well past 50,000 miles with proper maintenance. If you want something that feels more like a motorcycle, but with scooter comfort, this is it. Number 1. Honda Forza 300 or 350. And finally, number 1. The Honda Forza. This is one of the most complete scooters you can buy in the US. It combines performance, comfort, and long-term durability in one package. The engine is smooth and efficient, the ride is comfortable, and the overall build quality is excellent. This is designed for riders who want something they can use every single day, without worrying about reliability. And over time, that consistency is what allows it to reach, and even go beyond, 50,000 miles. If durability is your priority, this is one of the best scooters you can own. At the end of the day, reaching 50,000 miles isn't just about the scooter, it's about how you maintain it. But starting with the right machine makes all the difference, because the right scooter can give you years of riding without the stress. So, which one would you trust? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.